Hello, my lovely viewers. Today I'm making a beautiful Christmas craft using simple things, twigs, jute, pine cones, and a little sparkle. But as we craft, I will tell you a heart-touching story, a story about forgotten star, a lonely boy, and the little miracle that changed everything. Far away is a quiet village covered with snow lived a young boy named Ibrahim. His father worked far away and he lived with his grandmother in a teeny wooden house. Ibrahim loved Christmas, but this year felt different. No tree, no decoration, no lights, just silence. One evening he walked into the forest searching for firewood, but instead he found a group of twigs shaped almost like a star, broken, uneven, but something about it felt special. He picked them up and said softly, maybe I can make something beautiful. And just like Ibrahim, today we will make a Christmas star from simple forest twigs. First, arrange five twigs into a star shape. Tie each corner with short thread. Don't worry if it's uneven. Sometimes imperfect things have the most beautiful stories. Ibrahim returned home, sat near his grandmother, and began crafting. His grandmother watched him quietly. When he finished trying the star, he sighed, "It's not perfect, it looks weak." His grandmother smiled gently and said, "My child, even the smallest star can bring the biggest light." Inspired, Ibrahim added pine cones to make it stronger, berries to add color, a teeny ribbon from his grandmother's swing box. He placed the star in the window before sleeping. Snow fell softly outside at midnight. A warm golden light filled the room. The star, his simple handmade star, began to glow softly. Ibrahim woke up, rubbed his eyes, and whispered, "Is that real?" His grandmother held his hand and said something, "Love gives light to the things we create." In the morning, someone knocked on the door. It was Ibrahim's father. Finally, when I walked through the forest last night, I saw a glowing star in the window. It guided me through the snow and brought me home. No, look, Ibrahim, look at this handmade craft. The star was not glowing anymore, but it did not need to. It had already done this job. It had guided someone he loved back to him. And that's the magic of today's craft, a star made from twigs, simple, natural, imperfect, but filled with meaning. Christmas is not about perfect decoration, it's about the love we place, the thing we make, and the light we share with others. Thanks for spreading this magical time with me. If you like the story, if you love this video, please must share this video with your friends and family. Post your valuable comments, your thoughts, your suggestions. If you like Christmas decoration, DIY projects, step-by-step tutorials, so please must visit my channel. There's lots of amazing DIY design and projects for your reference. You can easily apply all this design on your upcoming Christmas event. And remember me in your prayers. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. So keep crafting, keep designing, make your home cozy wonderland. Apply all these design articles. So thanks for watching my video till the end. God bless you all.